Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your camera on your iPhone. So first you go to settings, and then you scroll down, and then you look for camera. Then once you find camera, you tap on it, and then so there's camera, tap, and then under and then you see under composition mirror front camera, you turn that on, and then now you can go to camera, and then you can take a picture, and then so for example, taking a picture of my hand, and then you see that the result is like you see yourself in the mirror, and like it doesn't flip. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.